Hello kids, welcome back to the virtual learning experience of GBN Senior Secondary School. Today in class 2 EVS, we are going to study about shelter. Shelter we need. This is our need. Being human beings, we need shelter. Not only human beings, but actually all other organisms require shelter. Shelter is a place where an organism lives to protect itself, from various types of things. Like in animals, few animals who live on trees are living there so as they can protect themselves from the wild animals. The same way we are living in our house to protect us from heat, cold, rain, and in this time from coronavirus as well. So my dear children, let's get started to know more about shelter we need by understanding the types of houses. Well, there are so many types of houses, and today ma'am is going to share a very different kind of type of houses with you, and that is portable houses. Here is a look of the slide in which portable houses are there. You know what is portable? Portable is a thing which can be taken from one place to another. And here, number one picture is of tent. In tent, what happens? You can fold this entire sheet and you can take it anywhere. Again, you can unfold it and there is enough space to live in. Then comes houseboat. If we are not traveling on the road and we are traveling in the water, through water, then houseboats are very important there. They have all the necessities, all the things which are required for us to live. Then comes caravan. Caravan, also known as houses on wheels. This kind of vehicle contains all the things which are required for us to live, and it can move from one place to another. Interesting? Yes. Make sure whatever type of house we are having, we have to maintain the cleanliness in this, right? All the types of houses should be clean enough, right? Then I'm going to discuss about another type of houses which are on the basis of the materials used to make them. So here is another slide in which number one is your kacha houses. Kacha houses are the houses which are made up of mud, dry leaves, straws, and such weaker substances. Therefore, kacha houses are not so much common these days because they are not too safe, not too strong. Instead, pakka houses are very common these days and very, yes, easily available. Why? Because they are stronger enough and people love to live in safe places. So pakka houses are stronger because they are made up of stronger material. Stronger material like steel, cement, bricks, etc. It's again interesting. So you must be thinking you are living in a pakka house or a kacha house. You are living in a pakka house, but there are variety of pakka house. You may not be living in the same kind of house ma'am shown you in her drawing. You might be living in any other kind of pakka houses. So there are sub parts in the types of houses also. And you know what are those types? They are maybe apartments which are known as multi-story buildings, right? Then there comes simple pakka houses which have only one floor. Then comes bungalows. Clear everyone? So you may be living in any of those kind. Then comes the parts of the house. Every house has an heart of itself, and there lies the reflection of the people living in. So it's not sure that the parts ma'am is showing should be same, but yes, somehow these are the basic necessities of the parts of house. You can see then in parts of house, number one comes entrance. There has to be a beautiful entry, clean entry, right? There is dining room where people can relax, they can have their food. Many of the people call it living room also. They are having television there. Then comes kitchen. Yes, kitchen is the most prominent and most important part of the family. Again, part of the house because the food is cooked here. Everyone get nutrition from the kitchen. Next comes bedroom, the room where people used to relax, people used to sleep. Again, last but not the least are the windows and doors. Windows and doors are the very significant part of house because they are useful in ventilation. You know what is ventilation? The circulation of air. If the clean air will come inside the house and the the previous air which was accumulated in the home, accumulated means ikhatta hona, so which was accumulated in the home, it goes out and fresh air came in, then there is a very freshness, you feel that a kind of freshness in the home, right? So apart from these types or these parts, you must be having study room, or you may be having only one bedroom or maybe more than one bedroom in your house. That is completely individual choice depending upon the cost, how much money we are paying or we are kind of devoting in the house. Clear? Now when we are talking about houses, how can we forget about the people who have made the house for us? So now let us discuss about the people who make houses for us. And here ma'am is having another slide, people who make our home, our house. Number one is architect. Architect is a person who designs house, right? And then comes masoon. Masoon is the one who builds brick by brick the house we live in. Then comes carpenter. All the wooden work in the home, maybe it is furniture, cabinets, kitchen drawers, anything, they are made by carpenters. Then comes plumber. All the drainage, water taps, your shower, every kind of water related fittings are done by plumbers. Then comes painters. The walls of the house are given a new lively touch by the painters. Last but not the least is your electrician. Electrician are the people who do the electrical wiring, whether it be your fan, whether it be AC, television, bulbs, etc. These are the things which are done by electrician. So my dear children, at the end, ma'am would like to give you a very interesting tip. Try to allow more and more circulation of sunlight and fresh air. You should open your windows, your doors in the morning when sunlight is coming or good clean air is coming, because these both are very essential for your good health. Now you must be thinking why? So let me answer you. Sunlight is having antibacterial action. Very small and non-visible germs are also killed by sunlight. So if sunlight is entering our home, so many of the germs are destroyed themselves. Number two is clean air. Clean and fresh air is not only cool, so you're feeling very nice in these summers, but along with being cool, it is having fresh and good amount of oxygen, which is again good for our body and our mind. So till then, clean your home regularly, help your parents keeping your home clean, take care of yourself, stay home and stay safe.